You've held banknotes your whole life, but you've never really seen one, not like this. From raw cotton to hidden watermarks, from master engravers to shifting colours, every bill in your wallet hides a secret journey. What you're about to watch will change how you see money forever. This is the story behind the world's most beautiful currency. Ready? Let's start at the very beginning. Before any printing press roars, before any engraver picks up a tool, the Banco de Mexico takes delivery of massive bales of 100% Mexican cotton. This isn't just any cotton, it's the same family of fibers that has underpinned Mexican currency for generations. It arrives at high security facilities in Mexico City and El Salto, Jalisco, where workers in biometric secured halls begin the transformation. The cotton is cleaned, purified, and fed into enormous Fourdrinier paper-making machines. Now, if you've ever watched paper being made, you know it starts as a wet slurry flowing across a moving screen. But here, something extraordinary happens. As the wet cotton sheet forms, a watermark is impressed into it, the profile of a historical figure, a landscape, or an icon, so subtle that you won't see it until you hold the finished note up to the light. At the exact same moment, a security thread is woven vertically into the paper, a holographic ribbon that will later shimmer with movement and colour. When the sheet finally emerges, it's blank, creamy, and crisp. But it's already alive with secrets. That blank cotton substrate then travels to the design department. This is where the G series was born, a family of banknotes introduced starting in 2018, each one dedicated to a different chapter of Mexico's identity. The 20 peso note celebrates the culture of the Isthmus of Tehuantepec. The 50 honours the ancient city of Tenochtitlan. The 100 carries the face of Sor Juana Inés de la Cruz, the legendary poet. The 200 rings with the cry of independence, featuring Miguel Hidalgo. The 500 tells the story of reformer Benito Juárez alongside the monarch butterfly biosphere. And the 1000, the apex, brings together 3 revolutionary figures and a jaguar prowling the jungles of Calakmul, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Each note has its own colour, its own story, and its own carefully chosen security features. But they all share the same soul: Mexican cotton, Mexican hands, Mexican pride. Now comes the part that feels like magic. Master engravers take the artwork and translate it into hardened steel plates using techniques passed down for generations. They carve each portrait, each landscape, each tiny numeral in reverse, with grooves of varying depth and width. Under raking light, those plates look like miniature mountain ranges. Run your finger across a finished note and you'll feel those mountains, because the printing stage called intaglio literally pushes the paper into those grooves, pulling the ink out as raised ridges. That's why a genuine Mexican banknote has texture you can feel. That's why counterfeiters can't copy it with any ordinary printer. The offset printing comes first, laying down the soft background colours, the warm gold of the 200, the deep blue of the 500, the grey-green of the 1000. But at that stage, everything is flat. It's only when those engraved plates, inked, wiped clean, and pressed against the cotton under enormous hydraulic force, that the notes truly come to life. The paper is forced into every engraved line, and when it pulls away, the ink stays behind, standing proud above the surface. That raised portrait of Hidalgo, that raised jaguar, that raised lettering you can feel with your fingertip, that's intaglio. That's the soul of Mexican currency. After intaglio, the notes move to the security stations. Each denomination gets a spark live optically variable ink, the numeral that shifts colour when you tilt the note. The 200's numeral glows in gold and green. The 1000's dances between green and blue. The embedded security threads are equally sophisticated. Some contain moving numerals, others show the Mexican flag or microtext you can only read with a magnifying glass. There are see-through registers, fragments of a design printed on the front and back, that align perfectly when held to light, creating a complete image unique to each denomination. And there are other elements that burst into colour under black light, hidden patterns that only the bank can see. Every single one of these features is applied with the same obsessive precision, whether it's a low denomination 20 or the highest 1,000. But the process doesn't stop there. Before any sheet is allowed to become a real banknote, it goes through an automated inspection machine that feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. High-resolution cameras, UV sensors, infrared detectors, and laser profilometers scan every square millimetre of every note position. They measure the depth of the intaglio, the alignment of the watermark, the performance of the security thread, the accuracy of the serial number. If any note falls even slightly outside the bank's strict standards, it's marked with a tiny dot, rejected, removed, destroyed. Only perfect sheets move forward to the guillotine cutters, where they're sliced into individual bills for the very first time. Those bills are counted, bundled in groups of 100, and assembled into bricks sealed in tamper-evident packaging. Then, under armed escort, they leave the production facilities and travel to Banco de México distribution centres across the country. From those vaults, the notes are released to commercial banks, Banamex, Buva, Santander, and others, where they fill ATMs, slide across telecounters, and finally make their way into your hand. Think about that journey. From a bale of Mexican cotton to a sheet of paper with a hidden watermark. From a master engraver's steel plate to a raised portrait you can feel. From a high-speed press in Mexico City to an ATM in your neighbourhood. And every single step is designed with one purpose: to protect the value of what you hold. So the next time you pull out a 20, a 50, a 200 or 1,000 pesos, take a moment. Feel the texture. Tilt it and watch the colours shift. Hold it up to the light and see the watermark appear. Because you're not just holding money, you're holding a piece of Mexican history, a work of art, and a marvel of engineering, all wrapped in cotton that was grown right here, transformed by hands that care, and sent out into the world to tell a story. The story of the G series. The story of Mexico. And now, a part of your story too. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into how Mexico's banknotes are made, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because there's always more to discover about the things we use every day without ever really seeing them. Until next time, take a closer look at what's in your wallet. You might be surprised at what you find.